Good morning, students. Today we can discuss about Hall effect. The Hall effect in the semiconductor comes from motion of both electrons and holes. Then the Hall can be explained 1897 he experienced the Hall effect is then when a current carrying conductor is placed, when a current conductor placed in a magnetic field mutually perpendicular to the direction of current, the potential difference is developed in that coil. Then the potential difference is at a right angle to the both magnetic field and electric field. This is the phenomena is affected can be derived from the Hall. Then the semiconductor same process will be developed in the magnetic field. For example, we can take as the a diamagnetic substance or paramagnetic substance is in the magnetic field. Then it can be induced the electric field to the conductors. This is the potential is developed. The potential developing is VH is equal to EHIT. Then Hall electric field is equal to EH is equal to RH into JBZ. Then so that we can write all voltage is equal to VH is equal to RH JBT. Then we know that the current density J is given as J is equal to I by area, current by area. Then I by B into T. This is equal to J is equal to mu into EH. Therefore J mu is equal to J by EH. That I by tau into B into EH. There all effect the resistance. All resistance is equal to resistivity or conductivity, that is called RH is equal to VH by B by I BZ. This is the Hall effect for the using the formula to derive the formula to explain the semiconductor materials. It is used to explain determination of semiconductor type can be obtained by the all coefficients is positive, then that is called p-type semiconductor, where the negative value of RH, then it is called negative type conductor, that is called n-type semiconductor.